He's taken a very measured approach so far, Jen. Live here outside Yale New Haven Hospital, part of the Yale New Haven health system. System-wide, across their 5 hospitals, they have 52 patients being treated for COVID. That compares to a year ago in April when they were treating almost 800 people for COVID. So a little perspective, but the COVID Delta variant, scary to many. Last week, President Joe Biden issued an order saying federal workers will be required to sign paperwork attesting that they have been vaccinated against COVID, or they must comply with new rules on mandatory masking and weekly testing. But Governor Lamont is not there yet.
But we still have certain, groups within state employ where you have, 40% of the people unvaccinated.
He's in conversations with state employees unions. Many of the unvaccinated state employees very much on the front lines.
Dealing with patients or special needs, corrections. So we're going to take a look at that.
While the CDC and the State Department of Public Health are recommending everyone in schools over the age of 2 be masked, regardless of vaccination status, the governor is holding off on issuing an opinion.
We're in early August and school starts at the end of August, and I've always tried to give everybody at least a couple weeks notice so people can plan accordingly, and you'll have a couple weeks notice.
But the governor is not ruling out a more targeted masking policy for schools, including possibly only having those under the age of 12 be masked up.
I've certainly seen that being considered. I see what Massachusetts put out in terms of the younger age groups versus the high school. So we got to take that into account.
The most important thing, the governor says, is making sure kids can get back to school safely.
I worry that there are going to be a lot of these 2-week quarantines and ball teams that shut down. So that's a real priority, I think, to make sure our schools stay open.
You heard the governor reference the ball teams being shut down. We'll talk high school sports, which are impacted greatly last fall especially. We're live here outside Yale New Haven Hospital. I'm Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.